Hi everyone, welcome to Java Express channel. Today I'm going to discuss another couple of methods available in string class, string utility methods. I'm going to discuss the first method called indent method. See, this method is useful to add or remove white spaces from the beginning of the line to adjust indentation for each string line. By using this method, either you can add spaces, either you can remove white spaces also. That you can do by using the indent method. Okay. Next method called transform method. Basically this method introduced, okay, in terms of like streams lambdas. Okay, we have a method references, right? In the same format, okay, this method can be used to transform a string into another object of any desired type. Okay, it can be especially useful chaining operation. If you want to apply more than one operation, then this transform method is useful for us. Okay, let me demonstrate with you small example so that you will get some better clarity on these two methods here. Already we have 11 2 3 4 5 methods we discussed in Java 11. Now let me discuss another two methods as well. Okay, 12th example and string utility methods, and here Java 12. So let me create the project. Utility methods is my project name and it is Java 12 features. Okay, let me finish it. Okay, let me create a package com.java express. This is my package. Here we'll create a small example indent demo. Okay, have a look, it's very easy topic. Okay, have a look, I'm creating a string for you. String s is equals to what I will do, Java Express. Okay, just I have a Java Express here. Now system.out.println, this is a original string. Okay, and I want to, okay, print the length as well. For this length, this is a original string, guys. Now what I'm doing, I want to add, okay, I want to add, see here some spaces. Indent, we have a method indent. How many spaces? I want to add 5 spaces. See here the output, run as Java application. See, this is the original string, length is 11 characters. See, these many number of spaces, 5 spaces are added. If you want to find out the length, just you can use a length here. You will get to know. Run as Java. See, 11 plus 5, 17 here. This is the use of the indent method. Even if you provide um, positive, this is a positive number, right? Positive number means it will add your spaces. Negative number means it will remove the spaces. How many number of spaces you want to remove? Have a look here. I'm creating another example. String s1 equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm writing Java Express. So I given 5 spaces for this string. System.out.println s1 dot indent. Okay, I'm giving uh, 3. We have 5 spaces I given. Now I'm removing 3 spaces. Now have a look. Run as Java application. See here, guys, 3 spaces removed, and we have only 2 spaces we have. That is the use of indent method. If it is a 0, nothing will be a change. This is one of the indent demo.java. Now let me go ahead with another example, transform. Okay, transform demo. Yeah, now what I can do, let me create a string str equals to suppose Java programming. Okay, to apply, for your example, to apply this action, have a look here. Str dot, we have a transform. See, it is following Java 8 approach, functional concept here. These are functional. Here, what is the function? I want to create some lambda here. How to do? We have a method references like this you can follow. Now uppercase like this you can apply your result. See, and system.out.println result, the data will be printed. See, run as Java application, Java program. Now you can ask me, hey, directly I can write my uppercase like this, then what is the use this one? Result, see, result not str dot to uppercase. This directly I can write a method, I will get output, there is no change. Then what is the use of this transform method? In your mind you may have this question. Okay, now my requirement is like this. I want to perform chaining of, okay, transformations, one data type to another target data type. First, what is the logic? I want to uppercase. Second, I want to reverse. Okay, and then I need output like this. To perform these activities, you need to do uppercase, and then you need to create a string builder object, and we have a reverse method. Directly we don't have a reverse method here. You need to create a string builder, and then you should reverse the data. Instead of that, directly I can do by using this transform method. See here how I am doing now. Now str dot transform. Here, what is the use case? First, what are the operation I want to perform? Uppercase. Let me do that activity to uppercase. Now again I want to apply to another transform method. Here what I'm doing, I want to create a builder object. See, string builder. I will take s as a constructor. Here I want to reverse. See here again I want to convert into a toString method. Now you will get as a final output result one. Have a look here. System.out.println result one. That's it. See here. Now completely your Java programming is straight. In single line, I can do with the help of the transform functionality. That's why here transform method, see, it can be used to transform a string into another object of any desired type, especially useful chaining operations. Now here we have how many operations? Two operations I applied here. That is the string utility methods available in Java 12 here. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys.